Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips. Okay, let's get started on today's Excel tip.
Hi Excelers, thanks for joining me again for another How to Excel at Excel.com video. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is create a chart in Excel, but instead of a traditional chart where we use insert and chart, what I'm going to do is show you how to create the chart in the cells of the Excel worksheet. This is quite handy if you're short on space, if you're creating a dashboard. This is really handy if you're short on space on a dashboard or a report, for example, and you want to use the cells on the worksheet to create a chart. To do this, we use the REPT, or repeat function. And if you haven't heard of that before, a lot of people haven't heard of it. Let's see what Excel says about it. So if we just type in REPT, this will give an explanation of the function. So it repeats text a given number of times, and use repeat or REPT to fill a cell with a number of instances of a text string. So we're going to use a text string to create the chart. So if we open parentheses, we can then see what arguments the function takes. So it takes the text, which would be the text string, and the number of times that you want to repeat it. So that will help us create the chart. Okay, let me clear this off and I'll show you how to create the chart. Okay, we have a blank chart. Let's go ahead and recreate it. So let's type REPT, open parentheses, and it's asking for it. The first argument is a text string. So I'm going to use the vertical bar, and it's asking to how many times do we want to repeat it. Well, it's representative of the sale volumes here. So let's use the value in B4 and close parentheses. Now that looks a bit weird because we've repeated that 2,000 times. So what we normally do is use a divisor. Let's pop in 100. Yep, that looks okay. But let's see what happens when we drag it down. It's still using up a lot of space. So let's add another 0 to that and divide it by 1,000. Does that look any better? Yeah, that looks a lot better. The vertical bars are still a little bit far apart for my liking. When I use this, I usually use the impact font, and let's make it orange to stand out. So I think that looks a lot better, takes up less space, still representative of our sales volume. So we've got a small sales volume chart representing our data here on the left. So that's it. That's as simple as it gets to create an in-cell bar chart. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new videos that I upload to YouTube. See you again for another How to Excel at Excel.com video soon. Thanks for watching.